Oh, what are you talking about?
Eliana's going to tell us about what happened to school today.
Okay. This morning, when we left for the first class, before we went to the CC camp, we went to this other camp where you learn how to paint a sky. You learn how to paint things that are pretty. And then
what did you paint?
I painted a sky with clouds. It was really pretty.
Wow.
With all these colors inside of the clouds. And then I had I had the ocean, and I painted some rocks. And tomorrow,
And on the beach?
And the beach? Yes, and the beach. I'm going to add a palm tree. I'm going to add some palm trees and some flowers.
Wow.
And I'm also going to add...
Shoot. Have a new one tomorrow afternoon.
Well, not exactly. I'm going to add like a flamingo into the picture. I'm going to put a flamingo on the water.
A flamingo?
Uh-huh.
What color are you going to paint the flamingo?
I'm going to paint it pink.
Pink flamingo?
There's pink and red and orange colored flamingos.
Yeah, sure.